listen to the sound of the genuine in yourself, so you don't spend your time pulled by others on strings, pulled by others on strings. There are people who sprint over the star-speckled horizon into the land of dreams of their own design. You can listen to the sound of the genuine in yourself, so you don't spend your time pulled by others on strings, pulled by others on strings. But for many of us, it's not so easy. So many distractions, others to watch. Resilience is not the way you were before. It's claiming a new form, carrying the memory of where we've been, still engaging however we've been shaped. So what's your story? Yours, not another's. Something not adopted because it seemed cool. Facade won't last when it's not really you. You can listen to the sound of the genuine in yourself, so you don't spend your time pulled by others on strings, pulled by others on strings, pulled by others on